I want to show you a little bit about how to graph the sonar information that we have over here onto a chart or a grid to show how deep certain parts of the ocean floor are. Now the first thing that we need to do is draw a line at sea level. 0 is sea level. Anything above it, the number starts with a plus sign. Anything below it, the number starts with a minus sign. So, and over here, we have depth data from latitude 30. Now this column right here has longitude. So it's like we're driving or boating, when we're on the water, across the ocean floor, going from 85 degrees west all the way to 5 degrees west. We're going from America to Africa. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight these lines different colors just to make sure I don't get them mixed up. I'm going to do that as I go. So, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. So my first yellow line, 85 degrees west longitude, you'll see the 85 at the bottom of the grid. I'm going to look for plus 9, so I'm going above sea level, and I'm going to put the dot, 9's pretty close, so I'm going to put the dot right here, really down low. Okay, the next row, 82.5 degrees, is plus 32. I'm going to go ahead and find 82.5 down here at the bottom, and I'm going to draw a blue line up just to make sure I have the right spot. We have a plus sign, which means we're going up from 0, and it's a 32. So, going just a little. Now I want to continue doing this for a little while. So I'm looking at 80. I'm going to find 80 down here. Draw my line up. You can see I'm alternating colors so I can be clear on what line I'm using. 80 has a negative depth, minus 498. 498 is very close to 500. So I'm going to find halfway to 1,000, going down to the first line, right there. And again, longitude is 77.5. I'm going to find 77.5, draw my line to keep me on track. And that is minus 848. Now you can see it's getting quite a bit deeper, and I'm going to find the 1,000 line, because it's very close to that, and put a dot just above it. Now, at this point, we're getting a little bit farther from the sideline that has the numbers very clear. So I want to show you how to use one of the tools. So our next number, longitude 75 degrees west, I'm going to find 75 and draw my line. And it is 4,426 meters below sea level. Now each of you has one of these tools. It's a see-through grid that blocks out other things so that you can line it up and find the right depth. So line up the dark line at the bottom, and we're looking for 4,500. So right off the edge of the tool, we can find the plot. Now you can see as you go across, this is going to be very, very helpful. as you get to 65 degrees, 62.5, 60 degrees. This is going to help you find the right depth that matches your depth data sheet. So drawing the highlighted lines and then using your depth tool are going to be key to putting down the dots in the correct places. And that's how you graph sonar data.